I'm Stuart Lee with Lightning Kayaks. Today we're going to go over installing your drive and your new Air 9 inflatable. So you're going to get a box like this that the drive is in. You're going to get an assembly worksheet. Please follow this sheet, but we're going to go through how to set everything up. So you can take your drive out. First question you might have is what's front, what's the back? How do I know? This little piece right here tells you this is the front. So when installing your pedals, if you know this is the front, this is your right pedal, it goes in this side, left pedal goes in this side. Alright, so now I've got the pedals installed in the drive. It's time to put the drive in. So when installing the drive, it's very important that both of these locks receive the axle. This shows that it is now locked on each side. And what you can see is the front tab of the drive is touching material. The back of the drive is touching material. One easy way to tell if you put it in right is just gently push on the drive, on the pedal. See how it's moving nice and easy? There's no resistance. Now you know you've got your drive in correctly. So you'll see that there's many adjustments for the pedals on the drive, and that works based on height. But the thing to remember is the drive itself needs to go in straight. Not in an angle because the pedals are angled now, but use these butterflies as your guide, that they need to go straight down. And when you hear it click in like that and you see the tabs are covered, you know that you've put the drive in correctly. So now we're going to go over what happens if you put it in wrong. Some people, I don't know how you do this, some people angle this drive and they get part of it in there somehow, and they'll trap a piece of the drive underneath this well assembly, and then when they go to push, the pedal's not moving, so they push harder. That's a no-no. Remember, always straight, up, and down. Now we're going to show you video clips of what happens if you put the drive in wrong. But you can see, if I'm pushing these pedals, I have free movement of the drive. That's what we want, for you to have fun on the water. So when you get your Air 9, before you take it out in the water, practice this. Get a feeling of what it feels like to go in correctly and unlock it, take it out. Do it a few times so you're comfortable before you get on the water and you know how to do it right.